Welcome to our kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and healthy red lentil soup, and if you want to know how to get your soups to the next level, stick around until the end of this video to find out. Now it is time to cut one onion into cubes. Garlic into small pieces. Carrot into cubes. And celery, and we're ready to start cooking a delicious red lentil soup. Next, add some olive oil to a pot and toss in the onion and garlic. After 2 minutes, add the carrots and celery and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the vegetables are roasted, it is time to add 2 cups of red lentils. Rinse the lentils before adding them to the pot. Then it is time to add some flavor. Add canned tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed cumin, and 1 teaspoon of dry parsley. And do not forget to add some black pepper and salt to taste. Pour all ingredients into vegetable broth and mix all of them together. Let it cook for 20 minutes. Did you know that red lentils are a convenient and easy to prepare ingredient due to their quick cooking time and lack of soaking requirement, making them a great option for weeknight meals? After 20 minutes, squeeze 1 lemon, and if you want to take your cooking to the next level, join our Head Chef Premium Club for exclusive access, priority videos, and connecting with fellow foodies. Click the link in the description to become a member today. Now is the time to mix the soup a little with a hand mixer and then cook it for 5 minutes, which will not only enhance the texture and flavor, but also make the nutrients in the red lentils more easily digestible and absorbable by the body. So that is how you make a satisfying bowl of red lentil soup in just a few easy steps. But if you're looking to add even more depth of flavor, try adding some parsley. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also adds a fresh and vibrant flavor that will elevate any soup. So next time you're making soup, don't forget to add some parsley to see how it transforms into a flavorful masterpiece. Now it's your turn to try making this soup at home. Leave a comment below and let us know how it turned out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes.